I hope you're well. So apologies because it's been so long since I've done a video. I've just been so busy with work, but I'm back with a good one because I am currently about to go on a staycation to Bristol with my sister, and then we're going to Bath as well. So I'm probably going to split it up into 2 videos. I just didn't really want to risk it going abroad this year. There was so many complications, so I just thought, why not explore our country? And to be honest, it's probably going to end up being like a bit of a food tour because, you know, I'm a big foodie, and I've not really explored these places before, so we'll just see what they're like. But yeah, come along, enjoy, and yeah, let's see what happens. You can see this, but we've got some Disney characters on our journey. Buzz and Woody right there, peeps. Stopped off for a mini wee. I meant to say, I stopped off for a wee and I got a mini latte because I don't want a big one and then have to stop off again for another wee. But yeah, it's quite cool services, to be honest. Is that Cliff Richard on the back of that car? It is as well. I think I've been inspired, guys. I think I need Joe Jonas on the back of my car. Jokes. I mean, each to their own. So we've arrived in Bristol and we're not exactly in the city centre, we're in, what's it called? Bedminster. So it's kind of like, if you know Manchester, it's kind of like a Northern Quarter vibe. And we're just looking for somewhere for lunch, so we'll update you with what we find. So this is where we're eating. My burger is just being warmed up because it wasn't melted. Lols. Vibes. Gonna go shake your bum, Ellie? No, I'm kidding. Come on, let me see. Take your little brother. Yes, look at these. Oh, hello. So we've made it to the apartment. It was a bit of a hunt to try and find the keys. They were like on the side of the harbour side, like on their own in a little key box. It was like a treasure hunt. Anyway, here's the apartment tour. So we walk in and this is a little cute kitchen. To the left, we've got the bathroom. Over here, we've got the bed, TV, and what's really weird is that me and my sister were walking along before and we saw these apartments from outside and we were like, oh, they look really nice apartments, and what turns out they are the ones that we're staying in. So that's kind of what they look like from the outside. So quite cute. Hello, so I have not updated you in the past few hours because in all honesty I've been walking around in the rain. Yeah, we went to the shop, like to Tesco, to get some food, on a quick walk, getting our bearings, looking around. Here's the cathedral, and then we're gonna go back, chill, watch Love Island, have some tea, and yeah, I think tomorrow will be more like adventuresome, so we'll see what happens. Being made for our first night, we've got pesto chicken and pasta because we're going to eat out tomorrow evening. But this time we actually brought, if any of you OGs watched my Lancaster vlog last time, you will know what happened with the tin opener. So this time we actually brought one, even though this Airbnb does supply tin openers, so that's good. Good morning, everyone. It is currently 8 AM. I mean, are you proud of me? To be fair, we went to bed kind of early, so I've been well rested. My neck kind of hurts and the bed is a little bit squishy. You know, like when we like a squishy bed, but also don't. Like, I'm sure some of you relate, like it's just a bit too squishy for your back and your neck. But anyway, today we're just gonna go exploring Bristol. We've got this like audio walking tour that I think we're gonna try, and yeah, I'll take you along with me. And we've also got some good food lined up. Apparently that dog over there that's been painted on the building only took 1 day to do. What the hell? So we're currently just doing an audio tour and we're at the oldest pub in Bristol, and it said that this big door here, this is made out of human skin. Like with criminals or whatever, they used to use their skin for like books or something, and in this case they used it for the door. How wonderful. So but it actually looks quite cool. I'll show you from the outside. So I've just taken my hair out because I've got a headache, you know, when you've got it really tight. Anyway, we've just sat at our packed lunches there. Now we're gonna go off and walk to Clifton, see the big bridge, and walk around there before we come back here to get some dessert. Why does our life revolve around food? Because food is the best thing since sliced bread. Yeah, the walking tour was good. Would recommend it. It only cost us £4.30 because we shared an AirPod each. But the only thing is, it kept like we'd be walking because she was like, yeah, keep walking down that road, and then it was like you've got lost, you need to turn around. It was like, oh right, okay, and it did it like 5 times, but other than that it was good, and we saw some cool sights, so yeah. So this is the part of the day that I've been most excited for. Are you ready? Mrs. Potts Chocolate House that I nearly had a heart attack then and thought it was closed. It's not. So excited. Let's go. Wow. Guys, we've got a stuffed double chocolate cookie with white chocolate ganache, and what's this called? A chocolate choux bun with vanilla ice cream inside. Unreal. So, verdict, the desserts were unreal. Cookie with the ganache inside was just, oh my god, oh my god. Anyway, when we came in, it was quiet, but because, you know, we're sat in the window and we're celebrities and everyone just follows us, hashtag influencer, the queue is now out the door, but it's amazing. I think we're going to come back tomorrow and pick up some more to take with us on the next trip, so we'll see. Hello, so it kind of looks like it's morning when it's actually not. So for the past few hours, me and my sister have just been chilling because we woke up early and we did like 6-7 hours out today just walking around, and we just wanted to come back and chill. So that's what we've been doing. And honestly, we actually spent some time watching the Cookie Monster in Sesame Street because we were like, we can totally relate on another level to the Cookie Monster.
Cookie, 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 me love cookie.
So now we have booked a table at an Italian restaurant, which our walking tour started at today. It looked really nice, so we're going to go there. So I'm just going to get ready and I'll show you what food we get, but I'm excited. Ready. My hair didn't bring any defrizz stuff, so it's kind of a little bit frizzy, but we've got, this is the outfit. But yeah, I'm excited. We're going for Italia. And there's our restaurant. amazing meal at Bella Vista. I would definitely recommend, and look how cute it is on the terrace as well. But it was a bit too cold for us tonight, so didn't bother. But we're just on our way back to the apartment now. Lovely evening and very satisfied with my spag bol. Vibes. I feel like I'm on holiday. Another day, another visit to the chocolate house because we can't not. Oh, so cute. This is Roger. As if a chocolate shop could not get any better. There was a girl in there and she was sat there eating chocolate cake and had a puppy on her knee. I tried to film it, but I don't know if you could see. But then, like, we couldn't stop staring at it, so when we got up she was like, do you want to hold him? And that's what you just saw. He was called Roger and he was like 8 weeks old, I think. A little dash hound. Oh my goodness, that is literally goals for me. Sat there eating cake with the dog, 100%. And also the hot chocolate there was amazing too. I got the classic, which was like 55% chocolate, but they've got all the different percentages that you can choose from. So anyway, we're now off back to the car. We've finished our time in Bristol. It's been lovely, and we're gonna go venture to Bath. So pray for me and my sister because we've been parked in this car park for nearly 2 days, and we only just realised from the odd sign that's around the car park that it says that if you park in a numbered bay then you could be fined £100 because apparently that's like a reserved parking space. But like, for us that just makes no sense when you're parking like a multi-storey car park that like you're paying for, and it's just really not clear at all. Because obviously we just pulled into a space and thought, right, cool, this is where the car's parked for the next few days, that's it. So pray for us that it's not monitored by cameras and that hopefully we've just been a lucky escape. Anyways, I'm gonna end the video here, so I hope you enjoyed my little trip to Bristol. We're now about to head on to Bath. So stay tuned for that video, that'll be coming up next. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, then make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because it really helps me out and I don't want you to miss out on any future videos. So I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, bye.